National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a tornado warning for northern Oakland County in southeastern Michigan until 6:30 p.m. At 5:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Holly, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Ortonville around 5:55 p.m., Oxford around 6:10 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Lake Orion, Leonard, Lakeville, and Holly State Recreation Area. People attending the Michigan Renaissance Festival should seek safe shelter immediately. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following county, Oakland, Michigan.
Let's forget about it.